村民終於等到啦！冇灣南翻咗嚟，慶典馬上開始，歡迎大家參加，一起來慶祝 ，Come and celebrate with us！集合所有村民，庆典馬上開始，冇灣南回來啦！ All the village together. The time has come. Moana has returned. Now, let the celebration begin. 嚟啊，大家，我哋一齊拍手 ！Everyone, put your hands together. 今日我哋所有村民都嚟到呢一度，大家也聚首一堂，慶祝同埋歡迎遠道歸來嘅 Welcome home, our very own Moana。歡迎你
Thank you and welcome to you all。歡迎大家，我哋想你同講下我哋嘅經驗旅程。
告訴我們你的所見所聞。
你見過乜嘢人？
去過什麼地方
？I'd be happy to share my story。
咁就好啦，我哋仲邀請咗全部村民同我哋一齊講故事，你哋會幫手嘅，係咪啊？
你哋幫忙講故事，好不好？Thank you. It'd be so great and so much fun if you all join in. And now, let's begin. Actually, my story began 1,000 years ago when the demigod Maui 1000年前半人半神嘅 Maui。Wait a minute, wait, stop. This isn't Maui. He's way too small. Maui was big and strong and had these tattoos. 你講得啱，Maui 應該係好大隻同埋全身都係紋身。不過得佢一個先可以扮演 Maui 咋。Oh, he's just pretending. Got it. Now, where was I? Oh, right. Maui stole the heart of Te-Fiti. Maui 偷咗媽媽之母 Te-Fiti 嘅心，他偷了 Te-Fiti 的心。But others wanted the heart as well. 我係Te-Ka，係掌管土地同烈火嘅魔鬼，我都想要佢個心。
我好勇就喺球身邊做其他動物，然後一身壞。
Maui was clever, a trickster, a shapeshifter who could change himself to escape. 一件係走唔甩㗎喎。咁窮都唔得啫！馬英就得啦。But that was long before I came along。咁又係，嗰陣都未有內出生嘅。From Montana, ever since I was a child, I followed the advice of my grandma Tara. She taught me everything that I knew, and she encouraged me to follow my heart and my ancestors to the sea. 冇玩啊！聽媽媽講， 要跟隨你自己個心，學我哋嘅祖先一樣，向住個大海進發啊！I knew the sea was calling to me, asking me to return the heart and make Te-Fiti whole again. But how would I get there? 跟隨你自己個心冇啊！個大海會引領你，將Te-Fiti個心還返俾佢。How hard could it be? 雖然你係未去過礁石外面，不過咁樣我難得到你After all, I am Moana, and so my journey began.
莫瓦娜要出海啦！嚟啊，大家，我哋一齊舉起雙手，好似咁樣，一齊舉手做海浪，一起舉手做海浪。Let's make the ocean waves together。做海浪聲，沙沙沙。好好聽啊！
Sounds like, do you? Can you help us? Can you make us sound like Hey Hey? He's a chicken. He clucks. Gajiga, give him go. Louder. Everyone. Very good. Now, you try. How did you get here? Come it's too late now. Hey Hey, get back here right now. Good. Now, which way should I go?
Moana 應該去邊邊呢？你哋見唔見到 Maui 個神鷗啊？不如我哋幫下佢啊！佢應該去邊邊啊
Should I go this way or that way? That way, are you sure? Okay, thank you. Whoa!
就係咁喺大海嘅幫忙之下，莫安娜嚟到貓兒嘅島啦。
Maui? Maui! Did you see him, Hey Hey?
我係貓兒，我手是雞。
And I am Moana of Matunu. You will board my boat and restore the heart of Te-Fiti.
我點解要上你隻船啊？
Because I am Moana of Matunu.
得啦，頭先你咪講咗啦，咪搞我。不過我想要你隻船喎，攞嚟啊！入去啦，哈哈！多謝晒啦，拜拜，手撕雞。哇！聽飛你嘅心，我唔會要㗎。
But you have to.
哎呀！
Hey, Hey, hey. Hey, you swallowed the heart!
好心你唔好咁大想頭啦，知唔知仲有好多妖怪都想要佢個心啊！弊啦，卡卡冇啊，然後海盜啊，
Coconut pirates. They're kind of cute.
仲好狼死㗎，小心！
Where are the drums?
做乜停咗啊？
Kakamora banging their drums, making so much noise.
咁我哋一齊嚟班夜航海盜，一齊加啦！
Let's try to get.
仲好狼死㗎，小心！
係而家啦，一齊扮卡卡摩拉，靚仔卡卡！
啊
Hey, hey, Maui.
哇！
Hey, hey, have the heart.
喂，我請頭髮，喂！哇！我要走啦！
We have to help Hey Hey.
走啦！啊！ 哎呀！
We did it.
唔使客氣，
Now we help you restore the heart of Tefiti.
我係唔會幫你嘅。
But we'd make a pretty good team. And you'd be a hero.
我係英雄。
莫瓦娜想說服貓兒，如果他願意幫忙，他就會是英雄。嚟啊，我哋一齊嚟嗌貓兒個名啊！貓兒，貓兒，貓兒，貓兒。
好啦好啦，
That's amazing.
不過首先我攞翻我魔法神鈎啊！
貓兒要先找回他的魔法神鈎。
We climbed the mountain.
我哋仲跳咗個大咯。
終於到好多怪獸啊 Suddenly, we were surrounded by monsters.
哇！嚟啊大家，我哋一齊怪獸嘅，好似咁樣。Show me your master。
And there it was, on top of a glittering mound of destruction. Maui's hook.
我神鈎啊！我追我就冇晒法力㗎啦！
That magic hook gave Maui his power.
撐下啦你哋兩個僵屍大開龍頭啦！
Here,
啊！得啊！嚟，翻去，好嘢！啊！哇！佢哋盡快有一種動員參加趕快逃走！哇！
here, have this.
終於攞翻我魔法神鈎啦！
And now to restore the heart of Tefiti.
好啦，我哋各行各路，再見啦！
But we have to restore the heart.
我走啦，係你話使命還花心嘅，唔關我事。
Wait! All right then. I'll go alone.
就係咁，莫瓦娜唯有自己一個繼續佢個危險旅程。佢去到赤飛池嗰度，眼見嗰度已經成為一個可怕嘅火山島。而家佢要自己一個面對看守住呢個島嘅妖怪。
And I came face to face with a terrifying creature of earth and fire who guarded the island Pika.
哈，踢佢！佢本來嘅真面啊！天地萬物之母 Nefertiti。其實咧，細路女，你都做得唔錯啊
Couldn't have done it without you.
好好照顧自己啦，唔好將呢回嘅冇彎啊！
You too, Maui the demigod.
後會有期。
See you out there, Maui.
你啊，我哋一齊再拗 Maui 個名啦 ！Maui, Maui, Maui, Maui。
Welcome home，歡迎你翻嚟啊 ，Moana。
感謝你們參加我們的慶典。
This particular journey of mine has ended, but yours has only just begun. Farewell, fellow voyagers.
雖然莫安娜嘅旅程已經告一段落，但係你哋嘅旅程先至啱啱開始咋。
你們的旅程才剛剛開